Our birthday list begins with Lindley Harrison, celebrating her 4th birthday. Trying to figure out what got in the back. Oh, trampoline. That's what it is. It's a trampoline back there. Happy birthday, Lindley, from Papa and Nana. You be careful jumping up and down, kiddo. She's in Pittsburgh.
Aw, I can't believe she's already 4. Remember when she was just a sweet little baby. Happy birthday, Lindley. And Caden Greer, 5 years old for Caden in Joplin. Hope you have a wonderful day.
I'm digging that mohawk, Caden. I'm glad you brought that back, my man. I love that. We got the Graham twins, and we'll start with Wyatt, who is 16. Wyatt, a very happy birthday to you in Lamar, and I'll give Julie the sweet 16. Julie, a very happy birthday to you as well. Once again, Wyatt and Julie both celebrating in Lamar.
And Madison Nagel turning 21 this year in Pittsburgh. I understand Miss Madison just graduated from Southern in May and is about to begin medical school at KCU in July. We wish you the best, Dad. And your birthday wishes come with love from the family.
Madison, a very happy birthday to you, young woman, and congratulations as well. You got great things ahead of you. Good friend of the show right here. Why? Why? Like, you know, I tout him as good friend of the show.
He's a friend to everybody. I'm
expecting him to be officially dressed, saving lives, because that's what he does.
Yes. And thank you for your recent assistance.
And this is, he does this. People aren't going to take me seriously that this man saves lives on a daily basis. Mm-hmm. We love you, Kenny.
But you know what? He does so with a smile, and that's why.
When Kenny, if you should ever need help, folks, Kenny Yoakum and his EMS crew will be there to serve you, and I promise, Kenny will not show up with a flock of birds. Kenny, please don't show up with a flock of birds on your next hospital, on your next ambulance run. Now, you know we love you, man. We can't thank you enough for everything that you do. Our good friend Kenny Yoakum celebrating 56.
Happy birthday, Kenny. And we've got Jackie Benham celebrating another year wiser. That's a beautiful picture.
What a beautiful landscape that is right there.
Enjoying the scene. Happy birthday, Jackie.
My goodness, that's great. William Kelly, War Dog Country. This is exactly what we did a couple days ago. William Kelly, a very happy birthday in Miami. And Debbie Church, celebrating in Miami. Debbie, a happy 68th birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all.